Before 15 minutes of market closing, a buy call started, buy signal, green color candle open. That buy call momentum followed today up to 11:30. After 11:30, downside breakout, sell call, sell signal, red color candle open. Like this daily, automatically it will give calls like a signal in this chart. Right now you are watching this video like this daily. You just need to watch this chart. This chart will analyze the market movement, analyze the candle breakout. Once breakout, once market trend changes, you will receive calls like a signal. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the plan detail. Today it's a good day. Jan 14th market 11:37. This sell call came today. First call, this sell call only. Sell at 48,834. Can you see that straight white line from red candle? That white line is the entry line, below line are target line, above line is the stop loss line. So daily you will get entry point. Through this entry points only you will do manual trading as well as auto trading also possible. Today the first target range is 48,712. On daily standard basis we are analyzing in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart, but you can change script like Nifty, Reliance, crude oil also. For that also the signal will come. After 30 minutes of volatile, it successfully break out the first target and continuous bearish momentum. Market is going downside direction only. 48,000 put option, out of the money option. The buy call came at buy at 422 and market move all the way to 470. A 50-point momentum in the option chart out of the money. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.